Welcome back, students. Yes, this is your social study class. Today we will revise the chapter houses but in different ways. Students, today we will discuss the chapter with the help of a video clip. I hope you will like the session. Yes, students, as you all know, houses is the place where we live. When you visit your friends, neighbors, relatives, do you find that they have same type of houses as you have? No. No, they have, the people live in different houses, different homes. Okay, houses can be of different shapes and sizes. Okay, so when you go to your friends, neighbors, relatives, do you find that they have same type of houses as you have? No. No, students. People live in different houses. Houses can be of different shapes and size and can have made up of different materials. You can see the different materials used in Paka house. So what are the materials used for building houses? Normally houses made up of bricks, stones, cements, then iron, then steels. The windows and doors are generally made of woods. This type of houses are very strong. And this is the kacha houses. Okay, they are made up of hay, then mud, straw, bamboos, dry leaves, etc. This type of houses are called hut. You can see the picture of hut, or you can say this kacha house. A kacha houses can be made fast. Okay, kacha house can be made fast, but it is very strong, but it is not very strong. Yes, and these are pakka houses. Kacha houses are made fast, but that is not very strong. Okay, big houses, and that you can see in the big cities. Big houses are called apartments. These are called apartments. You can see in the picture, this is apartments, or you can say flats. There are many houses built in a single building where many families can stay. Children, kacha house have many floors. No, kacha houses have there is only a single floor. Why? Do you know? Because they made up of mud, straw, hay, bamboo, etc. It cannot take the load of upper floors. See the picture? They cannot take the load of upper floors. Okay? Kacha houses are generally small in size. Now you will see the various types of houses in different places. Okay, what type of house we will find in the plain? Do you know, students? Yes, we find in the plains what type of house? That is flat roofed building. We can also find slanting roof in see, this is the slanting roof that we can find in village side. Okay, students, now you see and this type of house is called pakka house, having flat roof. Where you will find this type of house? In the plain. Okay, students, know the types of houses are depend on the climatic condition of the particular places. The house, the place where it get heavy rainfall, we find houses with the sloping roofs and made on the stilts, or you can say pillars. That see this picture. This type of houses we find in plain also, not where it is in the place with a heavy rainfall. Okay, flat roof filled with water, and it is very difficult to remove this water from the roof. And it damaged the house. Different types of permanent houses. See, the house is in the ground, the water will enter the house. Where it is this type of houses, if will built in the places where the heavy rainfalls occur, then see, the water enters the houses. So in that cases, what we will do? Yes, we will make the house on the stilt. What we will do? Yes. How about raising the house? Now see, in the picture, the water won't be able to enter the house. Yes, we can build the house on the stilt. These are called stilt, and stilt means pillars. And they have sloping roofs also. Okay, now you can see different types of permanent houses. See the pictures. Different types of permanent houses are bungalows, flats, apartments, skyscrapers, etc. These houses cannot be moved from one place to another. So this is called permanent houses. Why they are called permanent houses? Because these houses cannot move from place to place. Okay, students? See, some people keep moving from place to place, from one place to another place, either due to scarcity of water or extreme climate or due to work. Students, is that possible to carry their houses along with them? No. So, they can make temporary house. What type of house they make? They make temporary house, like bullock carts, not possible to carry, so they make bullock cart. In villages, this type of bullock cart is using for moving one place to another place, and this is called caravan. Okay, this is caravan, the moving vehicles, the houses on vehicles. Okay, what type of moving houses is there in water? Yes, I am talking about the houseboat. Yes, instead of roads, it moves in water. This is called houseboat. Okay, students, there are all facilities in this type of houses as we have in our home. Okay, students, tourists in Kerala and Kashmir love to stay in this type of house. And these have all the facilities that we have in our home. This is a type of unique houses. Okay. Children, do you know there are another types of light-weighted, easy to carry temporary houses? So what are these? These are tents. See the picture? This is tents. These are tents. These are made of canvas or nylon fabric. Okay, mountain climbers and soldiers carry tents with them. And these are light-weighted as they are made of canvas and nylon fabrics. Okay, students. These are fixed to the grounds. We have talked about different types of houses. Okay, kacha houses, flats, caravans, tents, houseboats, bullock carts, all this. Students, now we will talk about a unique type of house which is built from ice block. Doesn't it sound exciting? Yes, it is an igloo. Yes. This house is normally seen in very cold places like Greenland. This is usually dome shaped. People who lived here are called Eskimos. It doesn't matter the houses are big or small, kacha or pakka, permanent or temporary. The important thing is it gives us shelter and safety. It protects us from bad weather or harsh weather, heat from the sun, rains, etc. Houses also give protection. Yes. House protects us from all of this. Yes, the house also give protection from thieves and animals. And we can keep our belongings safely in our house. And we live in the house with our families. Okay, we can live with our family comfortably in our house. Students, that's all for now. I hope you have enjoyed the session. Yes, till then, goodbye.